If mice keep showing up in your kitchen, pantry, storage room, or other areas around your home, don't ignore the problem. Today, I'm going to show you a simple homemade mixture using common household ingredients that can help make problem areas less attractive to mice and other unwanted pests. This is especially useful for areas where you've noticed signs of rodent activity, such as droppings, food damage, or repeated movement along walls and corners. So let's get started step by step. First, clean your work area and make sure you're using a clean bowl and clean utensils. Now take one piece of bread. You can use fresh bread or slightly older bread. Either one works for this mixture. Break the bread into small pieces using your hands. The smaller the pieces, the easier it will be to combine everything evenly. Next ingredient, baking soda. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda is commonly used in homemade household cleaning and pest control mixtures. Here, it helps give the mixture its characteristic texture and can also contribute to the overall deterrent formula. Next ingredient, coffee. Now add 1 tablespoon of ground coffee. Coffee has a strong, noticeable aroma, and strong-smelling ingredients are often used in homemade pest deterrent methods to make certain areas less appealing to unwanted pests. Next ingredient, cinnamon. Now add 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder. Cinnamon has a powerful natural aroma, which is why it is commonly included in homemade pest deterrent recipes. It also gives the mixture a stronger scent profile. Next ingredient, garlic powder. Now it's time for garlic powder. Add about 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Garlic has a strong smell that many people use in homemade pest control and deterrent methods. Adding it gives our mixture another strong aromatic component. Next ingredient, chili sauce. Now add 1 to 2 tablespoons of chili sauce. The strong smell and flavor make this mixture more noticeable and can help create an unpleasant environment for unwanted pests. Now that all of our ingredients are in the bowl, it's time to combine everything. Mix the bread, baking soda, coffee, cinnamon, garlic powder, and chili sauce thoroughly. Keep mixing until the ingredients are evenly distributed and the bread is well coated. And while I'm mixing this, let me know in the comments. What country and city are you watching from? I always love seeing where everyone is watching from. So drop your country and city in the comments below. Now, as you can see, our mixture is coming together nicely. The combination of different, strong-smelling ingredients creates an aromatic mixture that can be used as part of a homemade pest deterrent routine. But remember, this mixture should not be considered a guaranteed solution for a serious rodent infestation. If you have a large infestation, the most effective approach is to identify and seal entry points and, when necessary, contact a qualified pest control professional. Now let's prepare the mixture for placement. Take a small disposable container or small jar. Transfer the prepared mixture into the container. Don't fill the container completely. Just add enough mixture to create a small bait-like portion. Now place the container in an area where you have noticed signs of rodent activity. For example, you can place it near suitable corners, along walls in a storage area, or near other areas where mice are frequently seen. However, do not place it where children or pets can reach it, and never place it directly beside food preparation surfaces or uncovered food. Now comes an important part. If you want to reduce mouse activity around your home, don't depend on a mixture alone. Start by checking your home for possible entry points. Look around walls, doors, pipes, cabinets, storage areas, and other small openings. Even a very small gap can become an entry point for rodents. Seal suitable openings properly and keep your kitchen and storage areas clean. Another important step is to never leave food uncovered. Keep food stored in sealed containers. Clean crumbs and spills quickly, and empty garbage regularly. For storage rooms, reduce clutter whenever possible because mice can use piles of boxes, paper, and other materials as hiding places. Now, if you place the mixture in a problem area, monitor the location regularly rather than leaving it unattended for several days. Check the container and surrounding area each day, and replace or dispose of the mixture safely if it becomes contaminated, spoiled, or accessible to children or pets. And remember, if you notice continued rodent activity, damaged food packages, large numbers of droppings, or rodents entering your living areas, it's better to use proper pest control methods or contact a professional. The goal is not simply to make a mixture. The real goal is to make your home less attractive and less accessible to unwanted pests. So to recap, first clean your workspace. Then take 1 piece of bread and break it into small pieces. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Next, add 1 tablespoon of ground coffee. Then add 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder. Add 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Finally, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of chili sauce. Mix everything thoroughly and transfer the mixture into a small container. Place it only in appropriate areas where pest activity has been noticed. And always keep it completely away from children, pets, and food. Most importantly, combine any homemade deterrent method with proper sanitation, food storage, and sealing of entry points. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more practical home cleaning and pest control tips. And don't forget to comment below. Which country and city are you watching from? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.